Hey N Scale YouTubers, just thought I'd post another video of a couple of new locos that I've got and a bit of an update on my layout. It's been almost 12 months since I posted the last video. Time goes so fast. These are a couple of New South Wales Government Railways 44 class, built by A.E. Goodwin here in Australia, to an Alco design, a DL 500C design. They're a Coco arrangement with a 251 Alco V12 engine producing 1,800 horsepower. These units were built between 1957 and 1967, and there's 100 in the class, and a few of them are still running today, including the lead loco. As you can see, all the main line and most of all the sidings are all now complete. I had to hand lay some points. My son was kind enough to build those for me, and they work really, really well. It's a model of Bowenfels station. Three viaducts. So when they built the railway across the Blue Mountains, there were lots of these stone viaducts. I've represented those in those three. That's actually a swing out section. It's how I enter and exit the layout. So in the background is the coal siding, well, it's a coal loop at Newnes Junction. So this train goes through a couple of tight curves. So lots of tight curves on the prototype as well. So it's a little bit tighter than prototype, but any less than it doesn't look tight on a N scale layout. This is Newnes Junction where the locos are going through, the train's going through now. Another train going past there, 48 class. They were also built by A.E. Goodwin. They're the DL 531 class, about 975 horsepower. So all those locos, the four locos, are all built by Gopher Models. They run pretty nice. Just nice point just to make certain you're aware that no tripod was harmed in the making of this video. The loco train's going now is representative of Sydney Yard. So I hope you enjoyed it. As I do some more work, I'll post some more videos. Have a great day. Cheers.